Greetings, fellow traders! My name is Afir, and if you haven't joined our team yet, you're missing your chance to change your life.
Yeah. They say that I'm on the road, maybe I just lost control. These nights keep on taking toll, find me out here on my own.
With us, you'll gain access to the most accurate trading signals, proven strategies, and full support at every step of your journey. Our students are already earning at least $2,000 per month trading with us. Stop watching from the sidelines. Click the link in the description. Join our team and start earning today. Today I'll show you how to turn $100 into something much bigger using the RSI indicator. Without further ado, let's get started. GBP AUD. On this pair, I'm observing a trend reversal into downtrend. The RSI indicator is showing a steady decline from the middle, signaling decreased buying pressure. This is the perfect moment for a downward trade. I'm investing $100, expecting the price to continue its downward movement. Looking for a way to trade anytime, even on weekends? Try my OTC robot. It works on 24/7 pairs, helping you earn without the hassle. Smart analysis, precise signals, and zero stress. Want to know more? The link is in the description. Is waiting for you. The price confidently moved downward, forming a bearish trend. The trade closed with a profit, $192. A fantastic start to the session. EUR/USD. The RSI indicator is hitting the 30 mark, indicating a potential upward reversal. The chart confirms increasing buying pressure. Candles are growing larger, and the market shows confidence in an upward movement. I'm investing $192 in an upward trade. Tired of complicated charts? My TA robot turns trading into a pleasure. It analyzes data, adapts to any strategy, and is perfect for both beginners and professionals. Click the link in the description and see for yourself. The price moved upward as expected. The trade brought in a profit $368. Confident market movements always inspire me to keep going. EUR/GPY. The price has reached a historical high, and the market shows overbought conditions. The RSI indicator confirms a decline. The curve signals the start of a downtrend. I'm investing $368 in a downward trade. Imagine having a personal analyst who does all the work for you. That's exactly what our VIP channel offers. Up to 14 signals daily, detailed analysis, and professional support. The link is in the description, is waiting for you. The price continued its decline, forming a stable downtrend. The trade closed with a profit, $707. When everything goes as planned, trading becomes truly enjoyable. CAD/CHF. On this pair, the price is moving within a channel after bouncing off a historical low. The candles are showing a slowdown in growth, and RSI signals readiness for a decline. I'm investing $707 in a downward trade. Every day is a new opportunity to earn. Our VIP channel offers accurate signals and ready-to-use strategies that work. All you need to do is follow the recommendations. Want to learn more? The link is in the description, is waiting for you. The price moved as predicted, reaching the lower boundary of the channel. The trade brought in a profit $1,357. That was an excellent move. AUD/CAD. On this pair, the downtrend continues. RSI is heading toward the 30 mark, and the candles are growing longer, signaling increased seller pressure. I'm investing $1,357 in a downward trade. Want a stable income with minimal effort? Copy trading is the answer. Connect to my trades, and they'll automatically copy to your account. It's simple, transparent, and effective. Click the link in the description and start earning with me. The price continued its downward movement as expected. The trade closed with a final profit, $2,606. This was an incredible session. This trading session once again proved that the RSI indicator is a powerful tool for market analysis. All trades closed with a profit, and the deposit grew by more than 26 times. If you want to trade confidently and consistently, join our community. Here you'll find valuable signals, effective tools, professional support, and much more. Don't put it all off. Start changing your life today.